So primarily you need three different set of skills. One is, you need to have very good communication skills. Communication skills are very, very important because you should be able to articulate what the product or protocol is to the other person, right? You should be able to translate those complex technical jargon into plain English. So you should be able to talk to that other person in a very simple manner. Okay, so communication is very, very, very important. The second aspect that you need to develop is writing. Okay, so it's not only talking. You should be able to put that in a nice in a format that is understandable and readable to anyone, where anyone can pick up and actually, if they go through that particular document, they should be like, oh, okay, hey, there is this product. Why this product? What is the use of the product? How to use this product? What are the steps involved? Right? I just kind of simplified it, but you need to start writing the articles and then you need to start putting content there. So writing skills are very, very important. Okay. Number three is social presence, right? So as I said, like you need to go and talk at conferences, you need to go and talk at events, etc. and all. So if anyone has this passion of becoming an influencer, who's very good at talking on um, events, like if you want to do like if, want to speak on YouTube, right? You want to create your own channel, etc. and all. I think the developer relationship is the best fit for you. Okay. So you need to have a social presence. You need to be able to come in front of camera and talk. Okay. You should be able to articulate your ideas very clearly.